the Associate Vice President for GBP Group, Gupta Builders Private Limited. And Mr. Mittal, first I would like to know how's the market sentiment?
Mr. Ahuja, the way our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, is visiting all the foreign countries and the country is moving in, people are getting positive about real estate and the market sentiments are getting positive. We are having a lot of people who are from abroad, out countries, and they are coming back to India and investing huge in Indian market. So real estate is in a positive mindset these days.
Sir, would you please tell us about some of the hot and happening destinations in and around Chandigarh where a person can actually invest and get good returns?
Well, once I talk about real estate and once I talk about the UTI Chandigarh, it is an amazing place because it carries all the catalysts. There are only 5 catalysts which makes the location, and all the catalysts are available like industry, information technology, industry, and then we have recreation and tourism there. Then we have a lot of big IT parks coming in, a lot of high education institutes coming in, and the biggest catalyst which is coming to Chandigarh is International Airport, and it's going to be launched any day in this month. And our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has already showed his concern to inaugurate the airport, and I'm sure the day the International Airport is going to be operational, yes, it is going to be the biggest catalyst, yes.
Sir, can you please tell us about the legacy and the history of GBP Group? What is the kind of work or the projects that it has already executed and handed over to buyers? And then we would come on to some of the upcoming projects.
Well, I proudly say that I am representing this group, Gupta Builders and Promoters, and we are into this real estate market since last 12 years. And we proudly say that we believe and do the same thing what is there in our slogan, and that is delivering on promises. So we have already delivered 2-3 projects, and we proudly say if you call up anybody in Chandigarh and talk about Gupta Builders and Promoters, you will get a positive feedback. And the credibility we have created, we proudly say we are the best seller today in Chandigarh and Tri-City.
And now, can you please tell us about Centrum, the new project which is coming up in Zirakpur, and what are its USPs and why it makes good business sense for somebody to invest in Centrum?
That we are going to launch a state-of-the-art architecture marvel known as Centrum. If you can see this building, this is known as Centrum, and it is coming bang opposite to International Airport. We have NH22 here, and this is bang on NH22. This building is divided into 2 parts. This is Hotel Continental Worldwide, and this is all studio cum offices. Ground, first, second, 3 floors we have retails. 3rd floor on the terrace we have 14 food courts, and this is all multi-use studios. And we have an iconic tower wherein all the big jewelers like Tanishq and JP Jewelers and PP Jewelers, they all are coming. And here also we are coming up with all the top car brands like Jaguar. And we are in negotiation with a lot of high-profile top international brands which are coming here. Now, why we have designed this building? It is just to cater the needs of the mass. We are not coming here with a 2 BHK or 3 BHK concept. We are coming here with multi-use studios. We are coming here with Soho units. We are coming here with well-furnished studios and a different concept which is there in Gurgaon. Now we are taking it to Chandigarh, selling the rooms of the Continental Hotel, wherein there is a wonderful value proposition for the investors. And we have already sold this project of 200 CR, and the total cost of the project which we are planning to sell is 500 CR. We are getting wonderful response from the NRIs, doctors, chartered accountants, lawyers. And yes, the value proposition for an investor is amazing. If any investors comes here and invest, this is something which no Indian financial instrument is giving the return, but this is guaranteed 12.5% assured return. And after 4 years, once the possession gets ready, the property is going to appreciate because the International Airport is going to be in full swing after 4 years. This is all. Thank you.
This is Dheeraj Ahuja from Expo TV for BoldRealty.com.